Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a beautiful mathematical expression which is 8 divided bracket 1 plus 1, 4. It looks simple but still many people fail to solve it because they did not take a right approach. They solve it like this: 8 divided 1 plus 1 is 2 times 4. 8 divided 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 divided by 8 is 1, which is the incorrect approach. So when you solving this type of expression, when multiple symbols, multiple operation are given, then you have to follow order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. Here P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D's multiplication, division both have same priority, just solve it from left to right. Addition, subtraction have same priority, just solve it from left to right. So let's solve this. So first solve the parenthesis, that is 1 plus 1, 2, and write the left terms. So 8 multiplied, 8 divided 2, and there is a no symbol between bracket and the number 4, so you have to write multiplication. Now we discussed that division and multiplication have same priority, just you have to solve it from left to right. So we can write 8 divided by 2 times 4, which is 4 times 4, 16. So what is the correct answer? 16, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.